So I will be explain about trim and extend. So maybe I can copy this one first, and then I will be copy this on this model. So like this one. So okay, I will be move. Sorry, copy it like this one, and I will move this point onto this point. So copy it. Okay, like this one. Okay, I will be select this first, and then I want to rotate it maybe like this. So if you want to trim the object, you can select on the trim, or you can type TR. So you can select on the line that you want to cut it, maybe like this, or even like this, and then you can do the trim. If you want to extend the line onto this line, you can tap EX to extend, or you can uh, type extend on this icon. So it will be like this. You can move the extend tools into near of the line that you want to extend. So like this, extend, 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 extend. So it will be like this. The line will be extended into the specified line, and then uh, for the last type, we want to make a door. So I will be copy this one. So the first thing that you need to do is make the door. For making the door, you can make a rectangle for 5.15, and then you can select the object, copy it, or specify the base point on this endpoint, and then type the direction for 85, and then it will be like this. So we need to draw the door. Its size 80 and 4. So the thickness of the door is 4, and then the long of the door is 80. So it's like this. You can move it into uh, the inner side like this, and if you're done, you can type this on the arc, and then start center end on this point, on this point, and then close it like this. So it will be it will be make a door, and then if you have done like this, you can type on the mirror, or maybe you can type mi. So select the object first, and then you can type mirror, and then it will be like this. Don't you can't erase the source object, and then you can also make the mirror of this object on the other side like this one. So this is the first catalog of your drawers, and then for the second you can rotate it like this one. So you can move it first and then select the object, rotate it, and it will be like this. So you have learned about this thing. Thank you.